What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Marlson, and today we are just gonna paint with these essentials, and it's Celine, Rawson, Velma, Elston, and Gloria was just over there. So it's gonna be fun. So stay tuned. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna show our paintings, and you're gonna comment down below who did better. Me. Alright, see you guys in a little bit. Peace. Alright, guys. So guys, we're gonna start here. I'm gonna get some. I start with green.
You guys are starting now.
Alright, so.
Yeah, I already know. I'm gonna write something.
So what are we gonna make? What are we gonna make?
There's some quotes. There's some Bible quotes.
Okay.
Sure.
Or
Yeah.
Bible verses.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is. I'm just gonna read them out, and you can read it. Okay.
We're gonna write it on here?
Yeah.
Oh, you can. Yeah, you can. Or you can just write the Proverbs, blah blah, so and so. So this one is Proverbs 23.
I'm gonna do Ephesians
verse
6:1.
22 to 25.
I'm gonna do
It says,
Ephesians
let your father
6:1.
and mother be glad. Let her who bore you rejoice.
Oh, so it can be for gold. That's interesting.
I'm doing Ephesians 6:1.
drawing or making quotes?
You can draw, just draw, but draw anything that you would want your mom to have.
Black. Don't use all the black because I need some.
I'm gonna see if I can try to have.
Hopefully this is not too dark.
What do you guys want to put on your poster so I can Google it for you, or your canvas?
I'm gonna do
Our
lesson. I'm gonna do our lesson with the cross on the top.
Oh, good. Okay.
I was
Oh,
better. Bad idea.
Where is that?
Like I need a.
Thinner brush.
Then you're going to yeah. Okay. Spread it.
Don't put it on me.
Spread it. Spread it. Smart something to you when you're doing. No. Finishing.
You're done?
No.
Oh.
Put my purple dress.
All of
in
your
there.
guys' looks the same.
Are you serious?
I'm trying to do
How about
something
mine?
different.
Because I don't want to like.
Really? I just thought. What's it called?
Did you just take my?
What you got?
What you painting?
Hey!
Chill.
I'm blending everything later. I just need. What's it called?
Alright, so how does it look? It's
Wait, can I use your phone?
so, and then I'm gonna put the knack, and I'm gonna make a cross, and then I'm gonna write a verse.
Oh, like the ones like
I'm not gonna do
Rey
it.
Mysterio.
What?
Rey Mysterio.
What?
He's doing Rey Mysterio?
No, it's the cross. The Gloria snacking. I'm just gonna put it everywhere. I'm trying to do it. I'm trying to make it.
There! Don't be wasting that paint.
I'm not. I'm
Wants to get
See,
new
why didn't
water.
this come earlier?
We
We came. Okay, we came.
No, yeah,
and
that's
then
disgusting.
we came.
Mark, can you
It was already
get us
time.
new water? Dump it out of Risty's off.
Goes over. The practice. Oh, you're gonna
I'm
go
covering
Alright, we
this
got
whole
a
part
new face
and waiting until it dries while we're eating.
and another one.
So apparently I'm doing a few layers.
I
New
know
artist.
Someone put the layer to the brown. And then I'm gonna use the smallest brush.
Shbrat.
I messed up on mine.
Yeah, you guys going.
How's it messed up?
Like who's going?
Your face.
Probably. I don't know if Alex is going. Yeah, you.
Cause look at this, it's so uneven.
For what?
Alex doesn't like missing work.
He loves
Well,
work.
that's nice.
I'm surprised.
Because he gets paid $1,100.
What's the light brown?
All of them.
You're gonna write words.
Allison, this is yours? Allison, this one's yours?
That's right. That's my head's on the water.
You didn't know.
My head's spinning. Why did I mess up on my art is so horrible and I'm sorry, Mom. Cause today we're just showing how people he's been looking, huh? Skimaris, Sunset.
Wait, don't show mine, dude. Oh.
What's this? Is this yours?
Just try to do it by myself.
Celine,
That's a lot of brown.
Sissy. It's plain, but it's okay. It's
Where's
good.
my
Waiting for it to
brown?
dry more.
Yeah, I know that.
Because you need a lot of paint.
Look at that. That's
Always
mine.
saw
That's
one.
horrible.
I wonder who.
I wonder who to.
Me too. Same thing.
Hey, don't show them my picture.
Can you do the?
Oh, look at that. Filmers, Austin. Wait, what are you saying?
I love you.
I love you, Mom, Dad.
Oh!
Bruh, this just said I love you, Mom, Dad.
Where's the clear water?
I love
need
you,
more clear
Mom,
water.
Dad.
My dad.
Oh, I thought that was a person. Keep on. So,
I don't care.
Are you actually doing
Just add more paint. Just spill this pink one
Yeah.
all over
Just
it.
like improvise.
Oh, that's no, bro.
Just take a.
Yeah, just cover it. With white again.
Easy, nice.
alright.
I'm watching all of them. They did good. I'm bored.
How old are you?
Day turning 9 at 4 days.
Wow. I just realized.
Right after.
Alright, guys, I'm really tired, like honestly. It's been an hour, and we're still up making this art videos. And this is mine.
I mean,
This
you
is
don't have
Sissy.
That's what I thought.
Okay, so wait, let me turn this. Let me turn it real quick. Compared. That's Sissy's compared. Comment down below.
We're not even finished.
Celine's.
Do mine. I'm not even finished.
Wait, I gotta hit Jimbo like that. And then Kamaros. Yes, Celine right here. I'm just kidding. I'm joking.
get it. I don't get it.
Then why did you laugh?
And then
Can you
it's
explain it to me?
it's Gorich. It's Gorich. Goria, say hi to Jared.
Cherish? Oh yeah, give her a shout out because she's your #1 fan.
And then
What
Filma.
did you do, Celine?
I'm not finished.
What are you?
Oh, I'm not finished.
Anything else? Anything with guys?
How come it says?
Elston's, comment down below.
I don't know.
So this is everyone. This girl, I know she wants to eat.
Where's the yellow?
She needs to eat. She takes break. Rotten.
Thank you. Someone else.
Not finished. Yeah, eat sick boy. Sick boy.
I don't believe it.
Oh, no, man.
Hey, you stepping on this jacket?
You know what this means?
Keyboard.
I can't see.
What does that mean, guys?
Can't see.
Huh?
What does that mean?
Don't you know?
What is it?
Keyboard.
Is it kavad?
Kawari Mochuno. Hey, that's my new English.
In Hebrew, it means glory. Glory.
Glorious.
Boy.
So let me do an interview to everyone. So how is you feeling about how you messed up in your art? I'm just kidding. How are you feeling about
Look at yours.
Oh!
mine is perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. So how is it feeling about this project?
Was it fun?
Is it fun or is it tiring?
It's fun.
Okay, good. How about yours? Why you look up at this guy first?
Hey,
So, what do
can
you
you like restart more?
what do you think? What do you think?
Mark, how many times you gonna paint over that?
What,
I just did my one painting and this guy messed it up.
hey, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Is it fun or is it tiring and boring?
I think it's Saturday.
Just wait on it.
So you can just paint the flowers. It just walks right on the white.
Wait on it. Come back.
I will remember you. Okay, Sissy, how do you think about this art time?
I think I'm gonna fail.
Okay, let's see. How about explain how you feel about this challenge? I mean, the art. Huh? Excuse me.
I feel. No, I'm just kidding.
What? Just call it.
Okay. Oh.
Hey.
How about you? No, okay.
Oh, I love you so much.
How about you? Korea?
Okay, where's the white?
Korea?
What do you want?
Korea?
Stop, not me.
I know. It's
Okay then. Okay, we're almost finished, guys. We're almost finished, and see you guys later. I'm tired.
That is.
funny.
It's a bed, guys. It's my teddy
Tell him what
bear.
you say.
It's my teddy bear.
Did you guys actually see Bucky?
Yeah.
Say it.
It's just 200.
End your video with you.
Achocho kosapui fangeta.
You're such a copycatter.
Shout out to Chuukese me, please.
Why are you giving her a shout out?
Because she needs to work on his English.
What did you say?
Okay, so it's
What time is it right now?
it's pretty 1 o'clock, and we drink coffee, so that's why
It's
we're
11:13,
we're
not 10 o'clock.
we
Not drink coffee.
we heaver. Alright. I'm sorry the camera's shaking. I'm just too hibernation. See you guys in a little bit. Oh, one of our fans, our true
Just
fans.
like shout out.
Our shout out to Charis.
Can you stop?
She's one of our biggest fans.
Okay. Anyways, what happened?
Play some good VR.
Austin, it's your song.
You want to see what we're doing?
Sorry. Yeah, we can play this song because it's not copyright. It's from me.
Who's this? I shading.
This is one of my haters in my life.
Yeah, these in the videos.
Okay, she shake the camera. It's not my fault. She wants to hold the camera. So, yeah. People are taking forever. I'm sitting on this couch like this chair like a grandpa, and
What is that brown thing?
I'm waiting until people are finished. I'm really tired. I'm about to fall asleep. Ah!
Oh, that's so funny.
My stomach hurts.
Ross, listen, my stomach. Oh my god, Celia, I'm crying. Look at me.
Stop! thing ever.
Okay, so how about Sissy?
How bad do I look?
Actually, just give me the white. Just give me that. Open it, please. Though.
Okay, so Sissy was okay. Sissy was sticking with her hands up. I said she's doing the name. Oh my god, I look so bad.
Here.
Uh,
I feel bad for that.
Hi. So that's what's going down right now. Sorry if that there's nothing. It's taking too long because I've been sitting here.
For a few hours.
Sorry if this video is too short or not even like
No, if you
long.
say me, I
Like
start tearing up.
what should I say? Yeah, fun. But we just wanted to guys give you something,
This is fun, it's not a real
and we just wanted to have
a fun day.
a vlog with everyone here on our weekend,
No, I want the size of
and
the
hope you guys have a weekend, nice weekend too. But I'm really tired. I need to go to sleep.
No, what?
Alright, see you guys in a little bit.
Like she's gonna wait for one time.
This is all the finished products of.
It's not finished yet.
Yeah, some are not finished of what we did today. Comment down below which one's your favorite.
It's not finished yet.
What do you think about this video? What do you think of this video? Okay. Well, that shows a clue that it is the end of the video. Hope you guys like and subscribe, and thank you for staying with us until the end of this art thing. It was pretty long, and don't forget to tell everybody to subscribe. Thank you for supporting us, and also don't forget to do the wall. Shout out to EY. Shout out to Liam, my school, yeah, and Emilio, and shout out to Ramsey and Franny, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.